going on, guys? Welcome to the BC Driven YouTube channel. Today, as always, doing a little last minute maintenance on the RZR. We're about to leave for a trip to Windrock and need to change the belt. Let me show you what I'm working with here. So I've got the clutch cover off here, and on an XP Turbo, maybe on some other machines as well, in order to separate the clutch enough to get the belt off, you've got these threaded holes, and there's a little tool. I'll try to put that on the screen right there, that you thread in here. Now I bought this RZR used and looked all through the toolkit and could not find that tool. And of course, I've waited too late to order one. So today we're going to be kind of rigging something up, and I just kind of want to show you what I got going on. Maybe it'll help you out if you're in the same situation. 1/4 threads here. I'm obviously not trying to reinvent the wheel, but basically you need a fully threaded bolt to go in there. Now there's a fender bolt up front that'll work, and that's fine and dandy, but I really want a tool I can throw in the hardware kit just in case we get out there and need to change this belt again on the trail. I'll have that with me. So what I've did is I've went to actually Tractor Supply and just got a little U-bolt here, and it's 1/4 by 3-inch threads there, and we're just going to try to, pretty sure I can do this. Real quick, just wanted to jump in here for a split second and say I'm still giving away this socket set. There's a link right up here in this top left corner, sorry, up here in this top right corner, for a video with all the details on this. There's only about maybe 10 or 15 people entered it so far, so if you want a chance to win this thing, now's the time to get in on it. We'll get right back to the video. Sorry about that, I had to step off screen so you didn't hear me grunt too much, but basically just bent that little U-bolt open to kind of replicate the factory tool. Now, like I said, by all means, if you got time to order the factory tool, just order you. I'll throw a link in the description, but you can get 3 or 4 of them for, $5 or so. They're not crazy expensive, but I don't have the luxury of ordering that, so basically we're just going to kind of replicate it with this, and do the same thing. But that should be hopefully enough here. We can just get that, whoop, sorry, I bumped you there, get that belt right off there. There. That's the factory belt, I believe. Yep, there's actually in pretty decent shape for having close to 2,000 miles, maybe just over 2,000 miles, honestly. Definitely be a good spare, but it was starting to slip a little bit, which makes me think that it was maybe wore a little thin there. Well, that's really all I got for you. Real short video. Like I said, nothing earth-shattering, nothing crazy. I wanted to mostly document that those threads are 1/4 and show you that you can make that same Polaris tool, or you can buy a 1/4 bolt. It needs to have threads for 3 inches. It needs to be fully threaded for 3 inches. But yeah, do with that what you want to. I'm going to throw this in my toolkit, so if I ever need it. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to win some tools, again, there's a link in the description and in this top right corner, for how you can go win yourself some free tools. So check that out, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, whatever you want to do, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video.